I don't even know what he was thinking when he made it this way. I don't think he used cement. But yeah, that's a really low gate. I want to move it up. So I bought this metal from Home Depot. It's 2x2 fence posts. I removed the old fence there, and now I'm pounding in two 2x2 side by side to try and... Initially I planned on using that gate there by my foot, and it's going to be really heavy. But I decided to just build a whole new one, so I guess I didn't need two 2x2s, but I already patted them in. There I am, mocking up my gate. Decided to use a known length piece to measure all the rest. I'm cutting the 1x1 stock that I'm going to put in the center just to add some strength and make it look like a real gate. That's what it should look like when I'm done. And I really should have tack welded it exactly like that. I didn't. Instead I did this. I just did one side.
No! What is that?
It broke. Did you not weld that one?
And I didn't do one side very well, so I had to refix this one right here. Now, this is like the third time I've welded, so I really probably overdid it. I put a bead around every corner. I mean, this isn't decorative, it's supposed to be functional. So here my gun quit feeding because of the angle that the line was at. And this is something I've run into a few times, so I figured I'd show this in the video. It's easy to fix. I mean, at first I thought that the spool feed was bad, or I don't know what, but if you just give them more of a curve like I'm doing here, and move the welding machine a little bit, and then readjust the cable, and it starts feeding nice and freely again, and you can get back to welding. One of the tricks I found. Cleaning up the edges, trying to fit it together, and here's where I should have tacked it, because I was pretty confused why this didn't line up. I mean, I was... I kept trying. I measured to see if it was square, yeah, and eventually I measured length just to see if I had cut it wrong, but I didn't. I guess the heat from welding the pieces together had slightly changed the position. I don't know. So here's my solution for putting them back together.
Push harder? Keep pushing. You gotta push pretty hard. Keep going. A little bit more. You're gonna be able to hold it now.
Manually, so I gotta video this fucking genius idea here. Yeah, well, that's how you learn, right? Worked great. Put two long beads in while the jack held the piece in place, and finished up the other side. There's a lot more welds in here that I kind of cut out, but it was getting a little redundant. So I brought out my truck generator in it, cut off the top side, smashed, cut apart part of the gate that I wanted to reuse, taking the hinges off there. Tack weld the hinges in place here. Line up my gate piece, tack weld it in place, and then get it nice and stuck there. There's my welds, and there's the finished gate.